Hey everyone, welcome back to Medical Professor. Today we are learning about one of the most commonly used modal verbs in English, would. Whether you want to talk about past habits, polite requests, preferences, or hypothetical situations, would is an essential word you need to know. In this video, I'll explain 8 different uses of would with 40 example sentences to help you sound more natural in English. Make sure to watch till the end for some pro tips. Let's get started. Would is a modal verb used to talk about politeness, past habits, hypothetical situations, future in the past, and request. In this lesson, we'll explore different ways to use would with 40 example sentences. Watch till the end for some pro tips. Number 1. Would for politeness. We use would to make polite offers, requests, or suggestions. For example, would you like a cup of tea? Would you mind helping me with this? Would you please close the door? I would appreciate your advice. Would you be kind enough to lend me your books? Number 2. Would for past habits. We use would to talk about things we regularly did in the past. For example, when I was a child, I would play outside every evening. My grandmother would always tell me bedtime stories. Every Sunday, we would go to the beach. She would visit her grandmother every summer. He would always take the same route to the school. Number 3. Would for hypothetical situations. Second conditional. Would is used in conditional sentences to describe imaginary or unlikely situations. For example, if I were a millionaire, I would travel the world. If he studied harder, she would pass the exam. If we had more time, we would visit some places. If you are in my position, what would you do? If I knew this number, I would call him. Number 4. Would for future in the past. We use would to talk about something that was expected to happen in the future for a past point of view. For example, she said she would meet us at 5 p.m. He promised he would help me. They thought the weather would be sunny. I knew she would love the gift. He told me he would call later. Number 5. Would for offers and invitations. Would can be used to make offers or invitations in a polite way. For example, would you like to join us for a dinner? Would you care for some dessert? Would you like to go to the movies? I would love to help you with that. Would you be interested in attending the event? Number 6. We use would rather or would prefer to talk about choices or preferences. For example, I would rather stay home than go out. She would prefer coffee over tea. They would rather watch a movie than read a book. I would rather take the train than drive. He would prefer to work alone. Number 7. Would in reported speech. Would in the past form of will in reported speech. For example, she said she would be here by 8 p.m. He told me he would call later. They said they would come to the party. My teacher said I would do well in the exam. She promised she would never lie again. Number 8. Would in negative sentences. We use would not or wouldn't to show refusal or impossibility. For example, he wouldn't listen to my advice. She wouldn't let me use her phone. The car wouldn't start this morning. They wouldn't allow us to enter without a ticket. I wouldn't change anything about my life. Now that you have learned how to use would in different situations, it's time to practice. Write your sentences using would in the comments below. I'd love to read them. If you found this lesson helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Medical Professor for more fun and easy English lessons. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep improving. Bye for now. Thank you.